told you you could make money doing what you're passionate about? Hey guys, my name is Nick. Welcome to Shift for Success. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can do what you're passionate about and make money doing it. Now, I can't necessarily help you find what you're passionate about, but I can describe what it is like to be passionate about something. Being passionate about something is being able to do that something regardless of whether it sucks or not. Like, you don't find the sucky moments in it. And having the drive to keep doing this something no matter what, like you are just always have this fire on the inside that leads you towards doing this thing, then you get excited about it every single time. That's what being passionate about something is like. Now, making money doing something that you're passionate about is often hard, especially in the career choice world. It's difficult to land jobs that pay well enough for you to do what you enjoy doing, especially in today's day and age. So, I'm going to go over a couple different ways that you can make money doing what you're passionate about, irregardless of what it is. The first thing is you could start a blog. I know, it's like, Nick, blog, really? No, seriously, blogs work. Start a blog, write what you're passionate about. If that's what you're good at. If you're good at writing, then write about it. Take pictures, upload it step by step. How to do this, how to do that. If you're passionate about knitting, then create a freaking knitting blog and go ham. No, seriously, go ham. Like, pour that passion and fire that's inside of you into this blog while you get to knit and knit these new patterns and designs. Today I made socks. Today I made hats. Today I made scarves. Poured into this blog. If you're passionate about gaming, create a gaming blog. Updates on the latest Call of Duty. I tried X, Y, and Z, and this is how it worked for me. What do you guys think? Here's a couple of links. Check out this tutorial. Start with a blog if you want. Or, if you're passionate about something and you don't want to start a blog, you're like, Nick, blogs are overrated, not really into it. Then start a podcast. Start a podcast. Record your voice. Talk about it. Put together something interesting about your content and speak about it. Talk about it. It's really not that hard. Get yourself a microphone. Hook it up to your computer. Podcast. Boom. Done. Now you can share your experiences. I used knitting as an example and gaming as an example, but maybe you're passionate about telling stories. Maybe you're passionate about sharing your life lessons. Maybe you're passionate about helping other people. Maybe you're passionate about coaching other people through situations that you've been through before. Share your story. Tell people about it. That's another way, is podcasts. The last way, everybody already knows what I'm going to say. Start a freaking YouTube channel. Seriously, doesn't matter what you do or what you're passionate about. If you're passionate about feeding the homeless people, take your freaking camera and make it a vlog. Today we're going to go down to the food bank and we are going to serve up some potatoes and beans. If that's what you're passionate about, make a blog. If you're passionate about animals, make a video log of you talking about different kinds of animals. Maybe you helping animals, right? You can take whatever it is that you're passionate about and put it together in any of these 3 different types of systems. We'll call them systems. Sounds professional. You take what you're passionate about, you put it into one of these 3 different kinds of systems, and now you can make money doing what you're passionate about. Right? Yes, there's some work that has to happen up front. Of course, always. Show me something where you don't have to put in work up front until you start making good money. Show me something. You either have to A, go to school, B, learn how to do something, C, climb your way up the corporate ladder. A, start writing posts, wait till they get noticed. B, start recording your voice, put it out there, wait until it gets noticed. C, record videos, post them, wait till they get noticed. Same philosophy, just different style. But for real, you can make money doing what you're passionate about. And a lot of my videos are steps on how you can get there. For example, I'm passionate about helping other people be successful. So what did I do? I created a channel called Shift for Success because I want to help other people be successful. Whether it's on YouTube, investing, passive income ideas, I want to help you be successful. That's my goal. That's what I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about helping other people be successful. Anyways, guys, seriously, find your passion, pick up a camera, get a pencil and paper, get a microphone, and just record/write it down. Do it. Put it out there. See what happens. At least you're doing something that you like and that you're passionate about in your free time at the very least, right? Guys, thanks for watching Shift for Success. I'm here to help you be successful. I got some great videos that were just recently put out on what camera you should use for YouTube. If you're going to start a YouTube channel, go check that one out. I got a video coming out this next week on what microphone you should use if you're doing a podcast or videos. You're going to have to check that one out. And if you guys need ideas, have questions, thoughts, anything, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.